Hey guys, welcome to LawnCareMadeEasy.com. I'm Zach Stroud. Have you ever wondered why they make different thicknesses for weed trimming string? Well, when we come back, I'll tell you why and what each one is used for. So stay tuned. All right, guys, so welcome back. So the first one I want to show you, and as you can, if you've ever looked at weed trimming string, you'll see that it has a very, very small diameter. That's a very small thickness of string that you'll be using. Now they do get pretty large. They go from the smallest one I have here from 0.065 all the way up to 0.0113. Okay. I usually don't see that 0.0113 a lot. Usually the largest one I'll see is 0.095 of an inch. So if we're measuring, this is in inches. So this is the smallest one, as you can see, the smallest thickness that you can use in a weed eater. As you can see, it's not very thick. This is going to be used for mostly just edging around your landscaping beds, around your trees and stuff like that, around your posts. It's not going to, if it hits the tree or it's very forgiving. So if you hit a bush or something like that, it's not going to cause a lot of damage. So you don't have to really worry about causing too much damage with this. It's mainly for the grass and very, very thin weeds such as like dandelions or something like that if you have that in your lawn. But this is going to be mostly used for just straight lawn care maintenance, anything that's really, really thin, just like grass or small weeds, okay? The next one, as you can see, gets a little thicker and it is even heavier. This is going to be more of your cleaning up, maybe around the outside of your home or something like that. If you have some ivy or if you have some very tall weeds that are probably up to maybe a half an inch, this 0.095, it will take that down pretty good. Okay, now there's going to be a lot of splatter because of that, but you'll basically be able to just clean up a good brushy area that doesn't have a lot of thorns or woodiness about it, and you just pretty much just wet material. Okay, large weeds up to about a half an inch. This will pretty much take care of it and get it cleaned up. Now the next thing I want to show you is an attachment, and I use it pretty often in areas that have a lot of large brush, up to about 1.5 to 2 inches with this, and it's just a blade. It comes with an attachment. It comes with all the hardware and everything with it, and you just basically take that wheel off of your weed eater, and you can just attach this. And it has little sharp edges on it, as you can see the edges. It does great with a large brush, woody, anything woody, it'll take that down. So it's a really great tool to have. So the weed eating string will do a lot of that as well. It's not going to take down any little small trees or anything woody. The thicker this is, the longer it will last as well. Okay. The smaller one, you're going to run through that pretty quick. Okay. If you start hitting posts and tree trunks, and you're really going to start really using this up. And as you can tell, they don't put a lot in there to begin with. Okay. So if you want to use this, make sure you stay right with, cutting grass. If you start hitting rocks or concrete or asphalt or anything like that, you're going to eat this up pretty quick. This one right here, the 0.095, like I said, you're gonna keep that around a little bit longer. Now it's not going to be as forgiving. So if you try to hit an azalea or any type of annuals or perennials or something like that, if you accidentally hit that with this, then you're going to pretty much just take it out because there's no going back once you hit it with this. So It's a lot thicker. So those are the types of weed eating string that you can use. And like I said, they do have thicker ones. I usually don't even bother with the thicker ones because they get to where it's so heavy that your wheel doesn't turn as easy. Okay, that's why I went straight to the blade and just started using this, because like I said, you can take down a small tree. I've done it with pine trees a lot. That's a little softer wood. It'll take down a lot of the smaller trees. Anything woody vines or anything like that, you can use this on. So just be careful, because you want to make sure with both of these, you want to have that guard on. If you don't have that guard on your weed eater, this is going to throw a lot of stuff back, and especially the string will. So make sure you have your guard. If you don't have your guard, then make sure you have glasses on. Always wear glasses, but make sure you have glasses on and something to protect your face, okay? Because these things will throw back a lot of debris. So I hope this video helped you out. And if you don't mind, like and subscribe if you like this video, if you like videos like this. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks.